Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MovieDom token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MovieDom is a blockchain-based ecosystem designed to decentralize and tokenize the global entertainment industry, connecting creators, investors, and audiences. MovieDom, a Web3 entertainment hub, it aims to fund and monetize movies, music, and events through decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs. Built on Ethereum, MDOM is an ERC20 token with a fixed supply using smart contracts for transparent operations like vesting and governance. Community driven model. Token holders can stake, earn rewards, and vote on platform decision via a decentralized autonomous organization DAO. MovieDom token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 80 million MDOM token. MDOM token is listed on the YEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.